Assalamu alaikum everyone, myself Chanda Shimshad. In today's videos I am going to share with you the most important current affair questions that are asked in almost every job exams. If you are preparing for any kind of paper or a test, then you must go through these questions because they will really help you cover your syllabus. We will also prepare a complete course for all job tests where we have covered every single topic in detail. Remember, if you don't prepare topic by topic, it will be very difficult to pass your exams. If you want to get this full course, just contact us on the WhatsApp number given below and we will provide you the full PDF. So let's begin today's video. On what date is World Youth Skills Day celebrated? The correct answer is July 15. Which country launched its biggest naval exercise July Storm in July 2025? The correct answer is Russia. Which country organized its biggest naval exercise named July Storm 2025? The correct answer is Russia. Which country has launched its most powerful conventional bomb, the Gazab? The correct answer is Turkey. What position did Pakistan assume at the UN in July 2025? The correct answer is Security Council rotating presidency. Where does Pakistan rank on the 2025 Human Development Index 2025? The correct answer is 168. Which country ranks first on the Global Terrorism Index 2025? The correct answer is Burkina Faso. What is the ranking of Pakistan among 193 countries in Human Development Index 2025? The correct answer is 168. The team of which country is the runner-up of Men's Hockey Under-18 Asia Cup 2025? The correct answer is Pakistan. Which country tops the ranking of Human Development Index 2025? The correct answer is Iceland. Which Pakistan Army major was murdered in Balochistan in July 2025? The correct answer is Major Rabnawaz. Japan won Men's Hockey Under-18 Asia Cup 2025 by beating which team in the final? The correct answer is Pakistan. When is International Moon Day celebrated? The correct answer is July 20. When is Independence Day of America celebrated? The correct answer is July 4. Name the major of Pakistan Army who got martyred in a war in Balochistan on 16 July 2025. The correct answer is Major Sayyid Rabnawaz Tariq. Which death anniversary of Abdul Star Idi observed on 8 July 2025? The correct answer is 9th. Which country has become the President of United Nations Security Council for July 2025? The correct answer is Pakistan. Which type of weapon is iron beam which has been developed by Israel? The correct answer is high energy laser weapon system. On what date World Population Day is observed? The correct answer is July 11. What Pakistan ranking among happy countries to the United Nations World Happiness Index 2025? The correct answer is 109. Which country has launched AI-powered satellites to build world's first space-based supercomputer? The correct answer is China. Pakistani athlete Sarwar Fatima won which medal in South Asian Regional Badminton Championship 2025 held in Bhutan? The correct answer is silver medal. Which Pakistani athlete won silver medal in South Asian Regional Badminton Championship 2025? The correct answer is Sarwat Fatima. Who is the current president of Zimbabwe? The correct answer is Emmerson Mnangagwa. Field Marshal Asim Munir was awarded which of the following on 79th Independence Day of Pakistan? The correct answer is Hilal-e-Jurat. What is the theme of the World Youth Skills Day 2025? The correct answer is Local Youth Actions for the SDGs and Beyond. Who is the current managing director of IMF? The correct answer is Kristalina George. Chief of Naval Staff Admiral Naveed Ashraf has been awarded which award on occasion of Pakistan Independence Day 2025? The correct answer is Nishane-e-Imtiaz. Chairman Joint Chief of Staff Committee General Shahir Shamshad Mirza has been awarded which award on occasion of Pakistan Independence Day 2025? The correct answer is Nishane-e-Imtiaz. Hilal-e-Jurat Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmad Babar Sidhu has been awarded which award on occasion of Pakistan Independence Day 2025? The correct answer is Hilal-e-Jurat. Field Marshal Asim Munir has been awarded which of the following on occasion of Pakistan Independence Day 2025? The correct answer is Hilal-e-Jurat. Name the Army Chief who has been awarded Hilal-e-Jurat on occasion of Pakistan Independence Day 2025. The correct answer is Asim Munir. Name the Federal Minister for Information and Broadcasting who has been awarded Nishane-e-Imtiaz on occasion of Independence Day 2025. The correct answer is Ataullah Tarar. Pakistan celebrated which Independence Day on 14 August 2025? The correct answer is 78. South Africa became champion of World Cricket Championship of Legends 2025 by defeating which team in the final? The correct answer is Pakistan. Which team won the World Championship of Legends WCL 2025? The correct answer is South Africa. When is Nagasaki Day observed? The correct answer is August 9th. Which country ranked second in the Human Development Index 2025? The correct answer is Norway. The Police Martyrs Day is observed on which date in Pakistan? The correct answer is August 4. Who among the following has unveiled the world's most powerful non-nuclear bomb Gazab? The correct answer is Turkey. On which date World Lung Cancer Day is observed? The correct answer is 1st August. Where was the World Artificial Intelligence Conference 2025 held? The correct answer is Shanghai. Which country will host Men's Asia Cricket Cup 2025? The correct answer is UAE. Who is the current Federal Minister for Water Resources in Pakistan? The correct answer is Muhammad Moin Wattu. Which of the following celebrates Independence Day for July? The correct answer is USA. When is World Sports Journalist Day celebrated? The correct answer is 2nd July. When did Pakistan assume the presidency of the United Nations Security Council? The correct answer is 1st July 2025. Who is the current Chief Justice of Balochistan High Court? The correct answer is Justice Rosie Khan. Who is the current Chief Justice of Peshawar High Court? The correct answer is Justice Atiq Shah. Who is the current Chief Justice of Islamabad High Court? The correct answer is Justice Sarfaraz Ahmad Dogar. That's all for today's session. I hope these MCQs were helpful for your PPSC preparations. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more practice questions. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.